Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Leader. Today we are going to see how to use the EC2 instance connect to connect to our EC2 instance. Like in the previous videos, we have seen a command line to connect to the EC2 instance, like putty and from a command line for Linux and Windows 10, etc. etc. So if you all hate these systems to connect to the EC2 instance and you need a very simpler method to connect to that EC2 means, you can choose this EC2 instance connect. So what is meant by EC2 instance connect? So you already created one EC2 instance, right? Just click on this EC2 instance and then click on connect. See, you can see multiple options to connect to the EC2 instance. Right here, you can able to see the EC2 instance connect, right? So the instance ID, public IP address, the username by default is EC2 user. So note, in most cases, the guest username is correct. However, read your email. Like the guest username is, in most of the cases, it will be correct. If it is wrong, just check your AMA usage instruction and find the proper username. And then what is happening here is, in the previous sessions, we have seen .pem file or .ppk file to connect to the EC2 as an authentication method. So here, what happened is, the AWS itself will create an SSH in the background. That is a temporary SSH in the background and allow us to connect to the EC2 instance. So just click on connect. So it will open a new browser page. It is a browser based command line. So you don't need to open a separate command line or put it here. So just see here, this is the one of the fastest method to connect to the EC2 instance. It is connected. Just check who am I. You can able to see the EC2 user. This is how you can able to use the EC2 instance. It is a very simpler method to connect to the EC2 instance. For this method also, you should have a go to the EC2 instance, you should have that SSH in your security group. Suppose if you just open the security group and then I am just disabling this SSH. I'm just removing this SSH from this port and then click on save rules. Now go to the EC2 instance, click on the EC2 instance, choose this, try to connect to the EC2 instance through the EC2 instance connect, try to connect this. It is establishing the connection. Close the previous one. See, failed to connect to your EC2 instance. EC2 instance connect is unable to connect to your EC2 instance. Ensure your instance network settings and configure correctly. We have to search the network settings and properly configure that. So just close this and go to your instance and edit the security group to allow the SSH also. It is very important to add the SSH to whatever maybe, like if you're using putty or command line, whatever maybe, it should have a SSH inside that. Click on edit inbound rules, add rule, add the SSH, just allow anywhere, save rules. Now go to the EC2 instance again, try to connect the instance using the EC2 instance connect. See, it is now connected to the Amazon Linux to AMA. That's it. This is the most simpler process. You can choose this if you don't want to spend time on putty or command line. Okay, bye.